Well, hello there, Cornerstone. It is Thursday, June 24th, and I am going to give you a little bit of an update on what's been going on here at Cornerstone Christian Church. We've had some work done inside and some work done outside, so I think you're going to be impressed with all the work that's being done and also the work that is being done right now. Even as we speak, there are people that are in the building that are working away. So let's go on and take our tour and let you see what's been happening. Here we are at door 3, and we're going to be taking a look at a wall that was knocked down. And we saw a glimpse of that last time, but it's completely down now. And even some of the rubble has been swept up, so we are moving ahead on this. Kind of hard to see in here, but here we are, and this is the elevator. And this is the staff's new shortcut. When we want to go to the other side, before we went downstairs, and then we went upstairs, and then went across through the lobby and into the auditorium. And now, just come out here. So this is pretty slick. And this down here was a real bear. Felt sorry for the guys working on this. They worked and worked and pounded and finally got it taken care of. So that's back in the day when concrete was really concrete. It was really hard. So it's good to see that this is all out and this will be open. Either area you can come through and go on into the living room. And then also on this side, this has carpeting on it now, which before it didn't. And looking out this way, the steps aren't done, but the rest of that carpeting has been laid just this week. And we see the chandeliers going in.
It's a big day.
It is an awesome day to see those things going up. It looks like you've only got, what, 3 more to go? Those look nice. The plastic covering on that is just to keep the dust off. So that will eventually be removed. Hey Eli, I think this side looks lower than that side.
Don't you talk that way. Don't you say that.
Okay. I take it back. So this carpeting has been laid here, and the doors have been stained. Some paint's been added to the walls. We're going to go down this hallway and take another look at this carpeting down here, just so you can get a better look at it. So now we've got a straight shot from the food pantry down here into the living room, except for the steps that haven't been done. So there's work going on inside, and then there's work going on outside. thank you for tuning in again this week. And God bless you for being a part of this in whatever way that you are helping out or praying for us or doing whatever that you do. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you, and we appreciate all of our workers that are on this building. And also, of course, we give praise to our Lord Jesus Christ and God who's watching over us all. Now, God bless you. We'll see you soon. Bye.